Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good day each and everyone. I am Yusuf Nurfaida, and I'll be discussing the continuation of Chapter 6, Lesson 3, this entitled Discourses of Language in Cultural and Social Relevance. So now let's proceed to components of culturally and socially relevant discourse. So according to Chief Prasib 2018, for the language to gain social and cultural relevance, you must have the following set of elements and components. So there are three set of elements and components to gain social and cultural relevance. So the first one is specific and concrete language. A language that is both concrete and specific can create tangible pictures that the listeners and readers can easily visualize. It means that when you use language to communicate, you must be clear and precise in your communication. So you must use specific words and clear words to avoid any misinterpretation. So on the other hand, abstract language can lead to varied interpretations. So by avoiding vague or abstract language, or in the other terms, unclear words, you can ensure that your message is easily understood by your audience. The next one is familiar language. So familiar language, words only become relevant if they are familiar to others, especially if they use them regularly. So you as a speaker you need to be aware in your words or in your language in using them. So familiar language, it refers to using words or phrases that are easily recognizable or relatable to your audience. You must avoid using jargon words to prevent any misinterpretation or misunderstanding. So the third one is constructive language. Constructive language is promotes social and cultural relevance. It can spark unexpected relationships, friendships in particular. So constructive language, it focuses on promoting positive and productive communication. You are aiming to build an understanding and also encourage collaboration with the other people. It also focuses on positive solutions and suggestions. Or in the other terms, you are avoiding blaming others or attacking others that will result uh, uh, to you being a superior. So we need to uh, we need to understand all these elements and components to avoid misinterpretation and misunderstanding.